Hello, lovely people from the world. Here's Lena, and I'm sitting again in the forest. I had a feeling today about the forest. It is like nature is so gracious, so utterly gracious, so open. And when you go in nature, you meet yourself because the graciousness of nature invites you for that. And this can be feel really good, but at other points it can feel really challenging because it also has sort of a deep darkness in it. Sort of, it can show you the pure beauty, but you can also have fear, lots of fear of the unknown, the wildness. And yeah, that's what I'm experiencing today. It was like blissful at the start, but then some darkness and coldness came, and somehow the vibe changed, and it was really challenging to shifting these states. And also it teaches me today to forgive myself, when I'm going into dark states, when I'm going into states where I forget what I am somehow. So I want to encourage you to forgive yourself. You're so precious and loved, and just breathe with me a moment. Feel your heart shining. Feel your heart connecting to everything that's living, to everything that's there. You're not alone. We are all together. And sometime in the future, we will go back to the graciousness of nature again and really become one new synergy. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bless you.